NetSpend Debit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a flexible way to manage your money without a traditional bank account, the NetSpend Debit Card might have crossed your radar. But in 2025, with dozens of prepaid and fintech debit cards available, it's essential to know what NetSpend truly offers, the costs involved, and whether it's worth your time and money. Most people get this wrong by assuming all prepaid cards are the same, but the reality is a lot more nuanced. Let's start with the basics. The NetSpend debit card is a reloadable prepaid card that allows users to receive direct deposits, make purchases anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, pay bills, and even withdraw cash from ATMs. Unlike traditional debit cards linked to a checking account, NetSpend gives users banking functionality without a full bank account. This is particularly appealing to people who may not qualify for a traditional bank account or prefer a more flexible, fee-based system. One of the card's biggest selling points is accessibility. You can apply online in minutes, and approval is virtually guaranteed as long as you meet basic ID requirements. This makes it a popular choice for those with limited credit history or past banking issues, but accessibility comes at a cost, so it's important to understand the fee structure. NetSpend offers several fee plans. The most common are the pay-as-you-go plan which charges per transaction, and the monthly fee plan which bundles a set of features for a fixed monthly cost. For 2025, the pay-as-you-go plan typically charges $1.95 to $2.95 per purchase or ATM withdrawal depending on your location and the ATM used. The monthly fee plan ranges from $9.95 to $14.95 which covers unlimited point-of-sale purchases and direct deposit access. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how quickly per transaction fees can add up if you use the card frequently. On the earnings side, NetSpend has a feature called Save and Grow which allows you to earn up to 5% interest on balances saved within the card's savings account. While the interest rates fluctuate and are typically available only for certain balance tiers, it's a surprising benefit for a prepaid card. Many users don't realize that this can turn a simple prepaid card into a mini savings account if used strategically. The card also supports direct deposit which means you can receive paychecks, government benefits, or tax refunds directly onto your NetSpend card. This is usually faster than paper checks, often arriving up to 2 days earlier. For people living paycheck to paycheck, this speed can make a significant difference. Additionally, NetSpend provides mobile app access allowing you to check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even send money to friends and family. Another key feature is the reload options. You can reload your card via direct deposit, at participating retailers, or with a bank transfer. In 2025, NetSpend also allows reloads from other prepaid cards which can be useful for consolidating multiple accounts. However, reload fees can range from $3.95 to $5.95 depending on the method. Most users don't realize these reload fees can accumulate, especially if you reload frequently with cash at a retail location. When it comes to spending and acceptance the NetSpend card functions like a standard debit card. You can make purchases online, in stores, or even over the phone anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. Additionally, there's ATM access with thousands of fee-free ATMs nationwide if you use the NetSpend network. Keep in mind, however, that out-of-network ATMs may charge $2.50 to $3.50 per withdrawal plus whatever fee the ATM operator imposes. Security is another area where NetSpend shines. The card offers zero liability protection for unauthorized purchases, chip and PIN technology, and 24/7 account monitoring through the mobile app. If your card is lost or stolen, it can be replaced quickly, and your funds are protected. For many users, this is a huge advantage compared to carrying cash or using unsecured payment methods. Now let's break down some pros and cons to give you a clearer picture. Pros: easy online application with guaranteed approval, direct deposit access, often faster than traditional bank's mobile app. For balance checks, transfers, and bill payments, earn up to 5% interest on savings balances with Save and Grow. Widespread acceptance at merchants and ATMs. Security features including zero liability and card replacement. Cons: transaction and reload fees can accumulate quickly. Monthly fees may outweigh benefits for light users. Out-of-network ATM fees can be high. Interest is limited to certain balance tiers and may be lower than traditional savings accounts. No traditional banking benefits like checks or overdraft protection. To understand real-world usage let's consider an example. Suppose you receive a $2,000 monthly paycheck via direct deposit to your NetSpend card. You use the card to pay $1,000 in bills, spend $500 on groceries and gas, and withdraw $300 in cash. If you're on the monthly fee plan, you'll pay around $12.95 for the month with little to no per transaction fees beyond ATMs. If you choose the pay-as-you-go plan instead, and incur 10 transactions per month at $2 each, plus a few ATM withdrawals, you could end up paying $25 or more in fees. This highlights the importance of choosing the right plan based on your spending habits. Another scenario to consider is saving with the Save and Grow feature. If you keep a $1,000 balance in the savings portion and earn 5% annual interest, you could generate $50 in interest per year. While it's not a huge sum, it's significant for a prepaid card that traditionally wouldn't earn any interest. Most people underestimate this benefit, but for long-term budgeting, it can add value. NetSpend also offers bonus incentives. Occasionally, they provide sign-up bonuses for new users who load a certain amount within the first 30 or 60 days. For example, in 2025, there's often a $20.50 bonus for new cardholders who set up direct deposit or load $500 onto the card within the first month. While not massive, it's a nice perk that can offset initial fees. Who is the ideal user for the NetSpend card? Individuals without traditional bank accounts, people looking for fast direct deposit access, budget-conscious users who want to track spending easily, individuals looking for a safe way to spend online or in stores without a credit account, users who can maximize the card's features to offset fees. Who might want to look elsewhere. Heavy international travelers. Due to foreign transaction limitations, those who rarely use their card and would lose value to monthly fees. Users who need traditional banking features like checks, loans, or overdraft protection. In conclusion, the NetSpend debit card in 2025 is worth considering if you need a flexible, accessible prepaid card with direct deposit and mobile banking features. While fees can be high if you're not careful, strategic use of the card, particularly with direct deposit, regular spending, and the Save and Grow feature, can provide significant value. Most people underestimate how much these small features, when used together, can improve financial convenience and security. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll continue bringing in-depth reviews of debit and credit cards, fintech solutions, and money management tips to help you make informed financial decisions in 2025 and beyond.